Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a potential stock setup and a quick disclaimer. This video is just for learning purpose. I'm not responsible for any losses you are making, so kindly do a research and learn. The name of the stock is Nasdaq Shipping, and this stock is from a defense sector, and you can see defense sector is doing exponentially well. So let's see what is the price action happening here. You can see in the past there is some kind of base that is forming, and it broke out and it gave a wonderful rally, and again there is a base that is forming, and you can see in the past move there is a big base, and it is coming out of the base and forming multiple small bases inside multiple stages, and you can see it is giving an exponential move. And here the stock moved around 115%, and still it gave around 160%. Totally it gave 160% in the last trend, and again there is no weakness in this. You can see there is no selling volume, only institutions are buying, and there is no selling volume. And after this big run, the stock consolidated for some time and formed another structure. It is a kind of a big base, and it took around 1 year, and it formed a big base, and again it's coming to the highs of the range and forming a tight pivot like tightness kind of candles, and it is trying to break out. And you can see, you can keep a watch here, let it break this range and you can take an entry, and I think the stock will break above this range, or it will consolidate for some time here. According to the market condition, it will react, so please wait till the stock breaks this region and shows a good push. After, if it breaks this region, that will be a good push, as you saw here. Same kind of move can be expected here, so kindly watch all the price action moves that is happening here. Some kind of tightness candles with volume should be clearly taken out. So for more details, you can follow me at my Twitter account. This is my Twitter account, guys. You can see all the trade information, trade related entry exits of my trades, and what are the tactics to enter the trade. Everything will be posted here. And further, you can check out my website traintotrade.netlify.app, where you can see all my social media links that will be provided, and the information of the particular community we are having. And you can join our community where we will discuss trades and we will learn together.
For the Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. If you're very serious about trading, you can join there. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.